For decades, the biopharma industry has been facing issues with the scale-up of adherent cell cultures. 2D cell stacks, roller bottles, and microbeads are laborious and spatially demanding. The TideMotion platform is linearly scalable for stem cells, exosomes, lentivirus, adeno-associated virus, vaccines, and recombinant protein production. TideMotion oscillates the packed bed between the nutrients phase and oxygenation phase, reducing shear stress on the cells while maximizing oxygen intake. Cells are grown inside three-dimensional matrix fibers called BioNog. BioNog has been demonstrated for the expansion of Vero, MRC5, mesenchymal stem cells, HAC293T, primary cells, and more. The TideXcell consists of an incubator which is fitted with a VOC and dual HEPA filters connected to a mixing vessel or any single-use bag. Inside the TideXcell incubator is the matrix vessel, which can be monitored via the touchscreen Siemens HMI PLC. The TideXcell supports SCADA control systems. In-process monitoring is an integral part of quality assurance. BioNog carriers can be easily sampled to obtain a snapshot of cell culture processes. The mixing vessel controls the temperature of the culture medium. The distinct separation of the mixing vessel and the matrix vessel allow for a dual temperature control model that helps to produce higher yields. From the lab scale to the pilot scale to the industrial scale, the TideMotion platform features a range of different bioreactor capabilities. Both single-use and multiple-use technologies are available to fit your specific application and budget. The TideMotion platform covers the C train with a modular choice of bioreactors that fits your process development. The TideMotion platform integrates with Esco cell processing isolator as a highly modular system for cell, gene therapy, tissue engineering and cell processing. The TideXcell cell harvester is a flexible and versatile unit suitable for seed cell banking. View the entire portfolio and turnkey solutions on our website. To engage a technical consultant, please email us at mail@escoasta.com.